Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I am going to do something a little bit different. I have the DJI Osmo in the bag, and I'm going to go mountain biking with some friends, and I'm going to take some footage and see how it comes out with the chest mount. So it's early morning, it's 8 o'clock, and it is about -1, so we'll see how it goes. And I hope the footage is fairly stable, so we'll check it out. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you on the trails. Number 7. Get in the right gear, let's go. So we are here on red 7 in Swinley Forest. This is the red section, and I'm just getting a bit of a warm-up and a feel for the bike. I'm on a what is the bike called? It is called a privateer fully spec bike that the guy in the red has loaned me for the day. So look at this section, absolutely brilliant. Let's cruise down this section. Yeah, brake quite hard, I think. Going around this corner, just because I haven't been on a mountain bike in ages. And yeah, just didn't want to come off the trail, come off the bike on the first section. But yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. If you guys can ever get a chance to go and cycle down in Swinley Forest on a mountain bike, they do also do rentals. So go and grab a bike there and get a helmet and get down the trails. Really good. But yeah, as you can see, downhill, and then there's like a nice bit more downhill. This is a really nice little section. Flows really nice. This bike has got a Assegai front tire that's really good in the grip. Absolutely brilliant. And that's the end of the section. I think I'm crazy. Okay, yeah. Remember now. So this is where the nice little flat section. It is slightly uphill, but this is sort of where the fitness comes into play. And my fitness is not on par with these two guys. They were just smashing out the trail. But I managed to keep up. I think they had a good time. We all had a good time, but yeah, I think this is where, when you have a mountain bike, it would just like push you along to be able to keep up with your super fitness mates, and also enjoy the trails with them. So that'd be good. But yeah, flat little section, and then we're gonna go into another little section. Such not a place to sit in the old forest. Yeah? They sit in the path. I feel like I'm in America. Yeah. This section here is the corkscrew, they call it, and as you can see, it sort of goes up. You swing around to the right, and then it drops down. And you go again down to the other side, and it's like in this valley. It's not a valley, but it's like almost like a gorge going downhill, but you go up on the sides, and it forms this corkscrew thing that goes for miles. And this is sort of, again, my heart rate was so high, just plowing through this thing, because you want to try and get as much boost up on the one side, so you can really flow over the top on the other side, on that section down, and then boost down again, so you can get a nice flow. And again, I would love to ride this thing with the e-mountain bike in a higher gear, where you can just keep on going, just put more power into it, so you can get more drive onto the bike. It's a nice little section as well. Big old climb here. And the legs are burning.
Burn, baby, burn. To be fair, it's not designed for that. Ah. Oh no! Yeah. Wow. Come on, legs, go!
This is also a really nice little section. You can see the key is to get into the right gear, drop the seat post. It's another thing that I'm not really used to. So my old mountain bike, when I was still riding, didn't have a dropper seat post. These things are super cool, and yeah, it's a really nice little section again. So you need to be in the right gear. If you're not in the right gear, then your heart rate shoots up, or you don't have enough boost to get the bike to go. Yeah, nice, very nice. This section is where there's big little drop-offs. Well, big in my book. You can see there, boom, down, another one, down. And then we go into a really nice little section. I'll put some nice music too, so you can see very nice flow.
no, it's good.
That's good, right?
Like that. Just getting warmed up.
On the next section here, nice little up and down, and then we're gonna do a little bit of a climb, and yeah, this is again, you know, this is sort of into, well, probably about an hour and a half into the ride, and it's just like you know, you just get tired. The tiredness just set in. I'm gonna go down this little section again. Boom, again, clip down in the gears so you get enough boost to ride the wheel, drive the bike out. But yeah, if you're not in the right gear, you spin up, yeah, then you're not. It's like stalling a plane. Here we go, coming to the end of the section. Nice. Okay, this is the last section of our, it was about a two and a half hour ride in Swinley Forest. So I was like super tired, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, it's just something totally different to riding EUCs, and I must say I would love to take my an S20 or an S18 out on this trail. It'd be so nice. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and many more to come. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.